Now children, here we will see one example which is given in your textbook page number 58. So here it will be very clear if we'll see this example. Two children are there, Meenal and Sunil. So according to 0 degree prime meridian, they have started their journey. Understood? So here this example is given in order to understand that what will happen if we'll go towards eastern direction or eastern hemisphere, and what will happen if somebody is going towards western hemisphere. Understood? Already I have explained you that towards east hemisphere, eastern direction, we will have to add 1 day. Understood? And western, we are behind 1 day. So here we will see, it will be very clear. This exercise you are supposed to do by observing this. See children, 360 degree, when the rotation of 360 degrees complete within 24 hours, that means 1 day. And 15 degree, already I told you, that means it takes 1 hour to move earth of 15 degree. Understood? And 30 degree 2 hours. So here we will see different meridians are given. So what will happen if a person is moving towards eastern side? So Sunil is going towards eastern side. Understood? East direction. And Meenal is going towards west direction. So every 2 hours, what will be the times? Every difference of 2 hours is there. Understood? So what will be the time in difference of 2 hours at different meridians? So here it is midday, that means 0 degree prime meridian. Thursday midday, that is 12 o'clock. Understood? So now he is moving. First we'll see about Sunil journey. So he is going towards eastern direction. When he reached 30 degree east meridian, so what will be the time? It will be ahead of 2 hours. So what will be the time? That will be 2 p.m. Understood? 2 p.m. मतलब आगे की तरफ है. Time बढ़ रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है. He is going towards eastern direction. And 16 degree east direction, what will be the time? That will be 4 p.m. And likewise 90 degree east, it will be 6 p.m. Understood? So you will write here. You complete this activity in your page number 58. So here it will be 6 p.m. So when it will be 120 degree, so it will be 8 p.m. And 150 degree east direction, it will be 10 o'clock. And again here it will be midnight, that is 12 o'clock. So like east, now a new day will enter. Understood? Because he is going towards eastern direction. So this is about now, he starts his journey on Thursday, and after finishing up to here 180 degree, new day will start, that is Friday. Understood? Now Meenal is going towards west direction. We will see about Meenal. So she is behind 2 hours in every meridians, different meridians. So when she will be reaching 30 degree west meridian, from this 0 degree prime meridian back behind 2 hours. So 30 degree west, so it will be 10 o'clock. Understood? 10 o'clock. Then 60 degree, it will be 8 hours behind 2 hours. You are supposed to calculate behind 2 hours. तो ये पीछे 2 घंटे पीछे, ये 2 घंटे आगे. Understood? So 60 degree, it will be 8 o'clock. 90 degree west, it will be 6 o'clock. Then 120 degree, it will be 4 o'clock. Then 150, it will be 2 o'clock. Then here it is 12 o'clock. Understood? So she is behind. So after completing, now she will enter in Wednesday, because she is going behind. पीछे 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 जा रहा है, रिवाइंड हो रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? रिवाइंड हो रहा है, वो पीछे जा रही है. तो यहाँ पे वेडनेसडे हो जाएगा. जब ये ईस्टर्न डायरेक्शन में एंटर करेगी तो वो पीछे चल रही है, और सुनील आगे चल रहा है, फ्राइडे चल रहा है उसका. ठीक है? सो दिस इज द 0 degree prime meridian from this point, and here exactly opposite 180 degree, that is ideal. So here day will change, here time will change. Understood? So this is very important, and this column you are supposed to complete in your books. Understood? Because children, we know that earth rotates from west to east. Understood? So therefore, in terms of time, the eastern part of the earth is ahead of western part. Eastern part of the earth is ahead of western part. Understood? So keeping this in mind, so we will think about this journey of Meenal and Sunil. Understood? The Sunil is moving towards east direction. Therefore, the time will move ahead at different meridians. Understood? समझ में आपको? Though Meenal is moving towards western direction, she is behind 2 hours. Behind, because it is she is here in western direction. Understood? समझ में आपको? For example, at 90 degree east meridian, so it will be 6 p.m. Sunil is moving towards eastward direction, and according to him, it will be Thursday midnight at 180 degree meridian. जब तक वो यहाँ पहुंचेगा तो वो midnight हो जाएगा. समझ में आपको? क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा है midnight. Midday से start किया था उसने, and when he will be reaching here, midnight will be there. समझ में आपको? So then after that, another day, new day will start. But when Meenal, she is starting her journey towards western direction, when she will be reaching here, again she will be back by previous day, that is Wednesday. Understood? So likewise, you are supposed to calculate this, and you will complete this activity. All these things you will write according to observe. You will observe this and you will write this. Understood? So this is your activity was there. So it will be very easy if you observe this diagram and you will do. So remember this, children, eastward, earth rotates from west to east. So if you remember this, then it will be very easy to complete this activity. Understood?